I welcome you to this video. I am Mr. Tope Michael Ologunada, lecturer in Educational Technology, Department of Science and Technology Education, University of Ibadan. I will be guiding you through this course alongside my colleagues, Dr. Adetunbi Akinyemi, Dr. Olasukomi Istre, Dr. Olawale Christopher, Dr. Tomi Ogundipe, and Mr. Afolabi Istre. Let's jump in and start creating something you can be proud of. In this video, you are going to learn how to create your very first page in Google Sites, step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a new page and add your own text, insert an image, and start shaping your site the way you want it. No confusion, no overwhelm, just a simple, practical walkthrough you can follow along with. Let's get started.
Alright, welcome back to this video. In our last video, we discussed how you can launch into Google Sites, and at the same time we walk around the environment of Google Sites. So in order to just to recap again, I will follow the process. The first thing you do, you click on use your Google Chrome or your Firefox, any browser you have on your phone or you have on your laptop. So I will click on Google Chrome now, and you select the account. So in this URL section, you type https://sites.google.com. So don't forget .com, and you enter. So by the time you're able to launch into the home page of Google site, this is what you are going to see. The next step, under the section, you can see this is my recent work, and this is the template, but you are not going to use template, and you are not going to if you are already working on the project before, you can come to the recent section where you see the list of the project you're already working with. So I will click on blank to start a new project. It's loading. Alright, so after it's load, if you remember, I said you can type the name of your website here, or the name of your website. Don't forget, we are creating portfolio now. Our goal is to what? Enter your name. I will enter my name here. Then I'm able to enter my name, and you can see the name has changed. So Ologunada. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to add my logo. If I have logo on my system, probably if I have logo for my company or your portfolio, you can have a personal. There's no big deal about you having a personal logo. Even though if it's company, company you definitely have logo. But as a personal, you can also have a logo. So I will upload my logo. I think I have it on my desktop. So that's, for instance, this is my logo. I will upload my logo, and as far as I'm able to upload, then you can, if you see it here, you can just that you must ensure that any logo you're uploading must blend with the color that you have. Alright, so I will, and at the same time you can actually delete. If I delete, you can re-upload again. Alright, and here you can type the name. If the logo did not display, what should display? The text that you want. That's what we call alternative text. So if the logo did not display, what should display? Alright, I can just say logo or company. Alright, logo and that logo. So it will display. You can actually scroll down. Okay, favicon. You can see favicon here. This favicon is what going to display here. I don't know if you can see my mouse. This icon here. If anything you upload here will display here. So I don't need to do that now. So I think I'm through with this. I will close it. Alright, so one thing is that this is the hero section. This section is the hero section. why display is the header. On your header, you are going to have your logo. On your header, you're going to have the name of your company. Now, Ologunada is my name. And at this edge, you are going to have the list of your pages, like home page, about page, and all other pages. All right, so looking at this section is the hero section of your website. No, this page we are now is the home page. Think about page as the pages in your book. So when you write on a page, if that page is full, you open on that page, you write on that page. But look at this as your page, and this page now is your home page. So because we are only having one page, that's why you did not see any list of the pages here. You didn't see it here. So now this is what I'm going to do. We are going to add other pages now, other pages. So if you want to add pages, you come to this your sidebar, this here where you have insert, pages, and theme. So we are going to work on pages now. If you click on pages, you see that the page we have here is home page. So home page with its logo, home page. So we can see a collapsible icon here. If you click on this, you see other options. You can actually duplicate this page. You can see the properties. You can add sub pages for this. Don't worry, in the course of our interaction, you are going to know how you can go about these sub pages. All right, so for now we are going to add another page, not sub page but another page. So because we have a page as a supra, and we also have sub page as subsets. So the main thing we want to add now is the supra page, not subset of the page. Like that subset is like a drop down under the pages. So but you get to know that. All right, so what I'm going to do is to create another page. If I mouse over this plus sign, you can see add page, you can see link, new link, you can see full page embedded, you can see new menu section. So I'm going to click on add page. That's what I want to work on now. I will type about me. All right, so that is, depends on how you want to write it. So that is it, about me. And if you look at this section, you can see more options saying you should add the custom part, because you are going to link anything, you are going to link them. But for now, leave it empty. We are going to do that later. Click on done. I'm going to have another one, contact. I'll click on done. I will have probably projects. You click on done. So how many pages did I have now? I have about, contact, project, and home. If this is the way I want it to arrange, I can leave it that way. But if not, you can click on this one. I want this about me to go up, below home. I will click on it and drag. And let me leave it that way. So home, about, project, contact. Okay, let me just add another thing, probably my CV or resume, anyone you want to call it. All right, so I can also, that resume, I bring it down here. So let me leave it that way. How many pages did I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the list here. So now let's come back to this collapsible icon. If you click on this or any of them, you can make any of them your home page. Home page is the first page, is the landing page of your website. Don't forget, repeat, home page is what? Is your landing page of your website. So if anybody visits your URL, the first page that it displays, that's why you have, like, for instance, I have like www does MTN, no, mtnnigeria.ng, whatever. So the first page that display is your home page. Or yeah, so this is the home page of this website. So any other pages follow. No, you can see the MTN Nigeria now. So this is the home page of MTN Nigeria. So the first page of your website is the landing page, and that is the home page. So when anybody visits your URL, and what display is your home page. For instance, I can see yinka.com, ogunlana.com. If you look at this thing now, the first thing that display is the what? Is the home page. So that is all. So that is all about home page. I think you get that. So alright, so let's come back to this place. If you click on this, you can see home page, about me, project, resume, contact. So any of these things you can make it your home page. If you want this to be your home page, you click on it. You can duplicate, you can add sub, you can hide it from navigation. Yes, if I hide this from my navigation, you won't find it here. Yes, you can see this is your navigation bar. Under your header, you have your logo, you have your your logo, your name, and your navigation. That is list of pages serve as your navigation on your header. So I can, since I already hide this, I can come back again and show it again. You can delete anything that you created. The only thing you cannot delete is your home. You can see you do not have delete here because it is your home. That is your first page. Because the reason is that there's what we call one page website. You can decide to have a one page website. So what we have now is multiple pages. How many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is multi-pages website. You can decide to have a page website, and every of your detail will be on that page. So that is why it's like this. Alright. Like I mentioned, I said you can delete, you can hide from navigation, you can add sub pages, you can see the property, you can duplicate, you can make it home page. For instance, I make it my home page now. What happened? The whole page has been removed, and simply means that this I cannot delete it again. I can't do anything. So, but I will take this back to be my home page. Alright, so I think that is clear now. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do now is to look at how we can populate my home page. Don't forget, I'm working with home page. Home page has been selected here, and this is my home page. So how do I populate this? Alright, I think before you start designing, you need to come up with your content, your asset, probably your picture. You might have thought of what are those things I'm going to include on my website. That is the first thing you do before you start designing. You should be able to understand what are those things I need to put on my website. So you get them ready, you get your content ready, and it makes your work faster. It's very, very important. Alright, so I will just show you something. I already work on one thing. I will just show you now the recent one that I've been working on. Alright, so this is what I did. This is what I did for that home page. This is my home page, the project I was working on before. This is what I have. I will just copy it. I will copy this content and come back to that place. I will come back to that place where I have the content. Sorry, you need to wait for me. Alright, so I will come back to this place. Alright, so where is it? Request me to type, this place is asking me to type my page title. I'm going to copy, highlight. What I did now is Ctrl A. when I Control A, I click on this box. I click on this box and Control A on my keyboard to highlight everything. And don't forget, I already copied those contents, and I will just say Control V. Now that the content has been pasted, I can manipulate this content. Like I have here, educator, innovator, impact maker. So what I did is to highlight each of them. Formatting now. When you are working with text, don't forget this is a text box. This thing is a text box. So these are the text inside the text box. So you can format the content on it. I know you'll be working with Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint, so this shouldn't be new to you how you can format. So this, if I highlight the content now, I can change the fonts style. I can change the font size. I can bold it, italize, underline. So all this formatting is what you can do with the content when you are working with text box. So this is my text box, and I've already formatted it. This is a point which I actually color yellow, and so this is just my own formatting stuff. You can move the content, the text box. You can move it. You can reduce it. So, for instance, I want to upload my image. You can upload your image. If you want to upload your image, you come here, insert, under insert at the right hand side. You click on image, upload. Probably I have my image here. I think I have my image here. Yeah, let me upload my image. This is my image. I will upload it. So I can move it down to this place. Yeah. So, but you can firstly remove this image from your background. Like you upload the PNG. There are a lot of websites that can achieve that. So you can have like RB, BG remover. I think BG remover, background remover. So you can do that from this website to remove your background. To remove your background. Alright, so don't forget, I said you can remove this from the background. So you can see now on my hero page, I have this content. So I have brief information about me, my expertise, my name, brief information, and I also have my picture here. So this place that this background, you can change the color. You can change the color of this place. You can come here to change the color. You can decide to change the color. So you can change the color to any color that you want. So any color. Think of color that you can use. So you can also decide to have like a background image for it. You can upload background image. I don't know if I have any background here. For instance, I think I have background here. Let me upload this background. Yeah, you can upload background, meaning that you must have developed your background. This background is like your cover page on your Facebook account or your LinkedIn. So you can have a kind of background, and this picture, and this text will serve as overlay. So, but for now, I will reset it. I don't need background. Alright, and at the same time, if you come here, header type, you can decide to have title only. You can decide to have banner. You can decide to have large banner. You can decide to have cover. So depending on option that you want. So 3 options. You can have background. You can have So that's just it. And one thing I want to also include on this my section now is to include button. If you come to insert here, click on insert, and then don't forget anyone that is active, you will see that it's color with blue. If this one is active with blue, if this one is active with blue, so you're able to see the active one. So I'm under insert now. You will drag down, you will see button here. Can you see button? I need button. What is the name of button? Contact me. Contact me. So contact me. So I will have the link of contact. So this is the contact page. When user click on contact, it take me to contact page. Since I have page that do with contact. Okay, and I will move this phone here. Let's see. But one thing is that I don't know how Google site is working. If it's on Canva or any other thing, it shouldn't come here. You should be able to read. No. Okay. All right. So you can see I'm trying to minimize. It's actually distorting my work. So, but just leave it that way. That is how Canva works. So don't forget, when you made a mistake, when you make any mistake, you can undo. So let me leave it that way. Contact me. So I will come back to this place to take it back to banner. Let me leave it like this. So I don't know why this is not really working at this section. I should be able to move this thing to this edge. All right, so it worked perfectly, and I can also increase my image size. So I can do that. If I want it to get bigger, depends on the size that I want. Alright, so okay, so I think I can leave it this way. Alright, let me leave it this way. So this is my arrow section for home page. So when you come to contact, you see that it's not like that on contacts. If you come to the other pages, it's not like that. So it is my home page that I'm firstly working with. This is how I go about populating my home page. That is hero section on my home page. So you also have hero section, another one, but you can decide to delete it, to remove it from banner, depends on how you want it. So you can see now. So this is the section. All right, I think this next section I will need to look at is my what can I say, about me page. About me. So probably brief about me. So what you are going to do under insert, you can see content block here, different style of content block. You can see this one, there's image and there's text. There's image, text at the bottom. There's image, small image and big image. 3 image at the top and the content at the bottom. So you just think of what do you want to achieve. So for the about me section now, I might need to have something like this. You just click on it. When you can delete, let me delete it now. Just click on the one you want, you click and it will display automatically. Alright, so I can decide to change the color, this section. Don't forget, I mentioned earlier before that when you have any page that you have, we have different sections. Each page has several sections. Part of the section for page is header, hero section, and all other pages. Then the last part is footer. You can see here, it's asking me to add footer. So you surely have footer. Footer will definitely be on your page. Let me click on this and I will have footer. Meaning that on this my page now, it's expecting me to populate the footer here. But for now, let me just hide it first. I don't need it for now. I will later come and work on it. So at this section now, I might need to write about me here. don't forget these are text box. If you need a new text box, you can come here and use a text box. And here I will add my image again. Probably I have another professional image that I want to include. Let me use this one. This is my image again, and I will have brief information about me. So now on this section, I can decide to add a button. So what will that button do? The button, let me just add the button. Don't forget, you click on Insert here, you scroll down, I will add button. So this button, I will just say read more. Alright, so that read more will take the user to about me. If the user want to read more about me, and I will bring it the button here. Alright, so read more, meaning that the user will need to read more information about me. So don't forget, you can decide to have a lot of information here, like this. So these are my information about me, and you have read more. I believe we are together. Alright, so for instance, after read more, you want to show some of your projects that you've completed. Some of the projects you completed. You might want to include image. Like for instance, the next section now, I want to show information about what I have completed. I want to use a text box, or let me use divider. I want to use divider. I will use divider to divide in between this section and the next section. And I will also, you can see the divider line now. Alright, so I will also have another, I need this kind of a thing for my project. Before this one, I will need to have a text box. That text box I will write feature project. Alright, so feature projects. Probably these are my latest, or you can say latest. Instead of feature, you can just say latest project. Alright, so after this, I will now have this. So I will have, for instance, the first project, the title, project title. I have the title here, and I will have the body here. Body, probably brief description. Yeah, that is brief description of that project. And I will have the probably image of that project, probably kind of snippets about that project. I don't know if I have anything like that, but imagine this is the project that I completed. Let's imagine this is the project Azumi. Yeah, Azumi, this is the project that I completed. I have the brief information about it here, and then I will also have another button that will take me to that project. Read more. Yeah, I can say read more. For now, I don't have the link of that project. But let me just link the person to project. Yeah, let me link the person to project, and I have the link also here the same way. Okay, and I can actually, because I need to have another project again, I can actually have this again, and then another project, I have this one again. Alright, so I believe you are getting what I'm doing now. So I have my hero section, I have about me, I have projects, All right, another thing I need to have now is I want to have probably what people are saying about me or what experts are saying about me. I want it here. All right, so what I'm going to do, I will add a text box. Come to here, I will add a text box, and that's you can actually drag it. This is not where I want it to be. You can drag it down. Yeah, the text box should come down here, so you can drag it down. All right, so the text box should will be what people are saying about me. So probably you want to have a number of recommender, I don't know what they are saying about you. So for that, I have 3 people. I need to include 3 people, or 4 people, or 2. So let me have 4. 3 rather. I click on 3 under the content block. I have the image of the person here, the first person. The first person, say left for instance, this is the first person, and this is the second person. I know I'm just using this to be a kind of how you can go about it, and this is the third person. Yeah, so you have the name here, the name again, and you also have name here. All right, so and then you can have the body, the message of what the person's saying about you. You can see the flow here. This is the landing page of Yinka. You can see the Let's Connect, and this is the hero section. This is the header. This place is the header. We have the logo. It does not have the name, it has the logo. And we have this as what? As your navigation, home, about, fixture, project, and contact. And this is the hero section. So it do not have a overlay, overlay background or no. So just the normal one. And you can see button here, contact me. I don't know if you can see my contact me. And you can see fixture. So the fixture comprises of picture, the title, the description, and the contact. So all right, so this is another way of marketing himself and get to know me, about me, the picture, and the message and the read on. So what people are saying about me, you can see the flow now. And after that, here is the word footer. All right, so I think with this, if you are able to provide the content of the mail or what the person, the people are saying about you, from there you can have your footer. Under the footer, you can decide to include text box. Just look at footer of company and just know what you are going to put there. So hello is what I put there. You can insert text box, you can insert image. Probably I have image that I want to insert here, or logo. Let me say that my logo, I want to have it again here. I can include my logo in this section. Yes, so I can include it here. Let me say after this one, or I have this beside this. I will take it up. I don't know why it's not moving. Yeah, I will take it off. So just design the footer the way you want it. All right, so that is the flow. That is the flow. So and probably okay, I think we are done with the flow of the home page. So there are some cases whereby you might want to have, if you want to enter another, if you want to insert another thing, you select the previous one. What I want to do now is to insert image carousel. Image carousel is like a flip of images. probably you want to show different previous work you've completed. I can also do that using carousel. So for instance, instead of, okay, let me see, I will click on this. I will select the list of images that I want. I want this image. I click on 3 images selected, and I can insert them. Alright, so let me just expand it just to make your work look good. Make your work look good. So when depends on how you want it to be. So when you preview, you can, let me preview this my work and let's see how it flows. I want to preview, so let's see the flow of this my website. Alright, you can see the flow. It's loading. It's because it's too heavy, that's why. Alright, the carousel did not display. What happened? We must look at that. What happened? Why is it not displaying? Okay, let me check. It should display. Alright, so okay, I think probably before this one, let me have divider. Alright, so it should display. So let me check again. I want to show in tab, in mobile view, in tab, in desktop view. Let me check the carousel again. Why is it not displaying? Is it the network? Oh, okay, I think it's network. Alright, so I think it's network. So you can see here. So it's actually loading. Probably it's network. You're going to have the button, previous button and next button where you can flip around the image. So if the image is too heavy, it might not really but I think my network is slow. Alright, it's displaying. Alright, next. So it's continue flipping around the image. So I think that is how you are going to go about it. So we can stop here for this video. In this video, we are able to look at how we can populate our home page. We are able to create section, the Euro section, the tab. We are able to create about section, project section, and at the same time what people are saying about me section. And we have carousel where you're going to have the display of your information. Actually, this kind of a thing, you can also have it at the beginning, like you can have it as your Euro section. So you can also have it, depends on how you want it to be. So I would like you to comment. In the next video, we are going to look at other features we can do together. So happy watching.